Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northern Sabine County in eastern Texas, northern San Augustine County in eastern Texas, southeastern Shelby County in eastern Texas, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado just northeast of McCune, or about 5 miles south of San Augustine, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to San Augustine, Glen Lake, Newville, Rosevine, Geneva, and Patroon. If in mobile home or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a sturdy shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat within the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place.